Right side. No i co, wyjedziesz tędy? Znaczy wyjedziemy do Warszawa. Tam stoi.
They crashed on a motorcycle. Oh gosh.
Czemu tej policji tyle? A wypadek tam jest.
Why isn't there even an ambulance or a fire truck? Only cop cars. Or are they still arriving? Why? I'm still recording.
Otworzył okno i wystawia za tym, żeby... Nie, ale bo wypadnie. No nie wypadną. Ten samochód to ten biały, nie?
Is that EMS coming? He just driving with the door open. Wow. Is she coming to us? Yo, what? Oh, to that person. Oh gosh. Bro, why does that logo look like the NYPD?
I co ci nie wypadnie telefon z ręki. Nie stawiaj na to, bo ci wypadnie za nim. Się podłącza telefon. Ale weź to stawiaj.
Oh my god, why is the security car over there? Oh, I see the sheriff that we saw earlier. There's that over there. Should have recorded that sheriff when we were at the restaurant. I don't hear sirens, so I don't think the EMS is coming. Yeah, I see. Oh, yeah.
Ale już to karetka była.
O, już na pewno karetka się pana.
Oh wow, that looks nice and hot. Bro, why is that thing? Oh, they're calling the fire department. Yeah.
Ale bo zaraz ci pan policjant krzyczy, że nagrywasz. No. W bok tego samochodu walnął, nie? Musiał mu wjechać.
Yeah, they're calling the.
Też nie wiadomo.
They're calling the fire department. Yeah, they're calling. Yeah, they're literally. Why are those cars on the cruise lights? What? Why?
Z kierowcy strony uderzył, nie?
That's like that one.
Tak, z kierowcy z lewej strony.
What was that car in the front? Where was
Ale
that?
wybiegł.
That car was driving into the curb. What the? What?
Ale... Wrócił mocny.
Yep.
Aż kto silniejszy. Kto silniejszy.
So what the? What? Yeah. Yeah, I think I hear
Na
sirens.
pewno karetka była i zabrała, teraz czekają.
Wizję robię.
Wizję robią i tam wszystkie ślady zbierają, żeby
When did the cops even come?
ustalić, jaka była przyczyna.
Except for that one that we saw this morning.
Gdzie my tu jesteśmy? Jak?
Raki film.
Yeah, we're on Rocky Hill right now.
A, kamień na górę.
Oh, God. Yeah, I think we'll see the EMS or the fire department. It's blocking everywhere except for this parking lot. Why did the police car even go in like the, like the parking spot and literally get out of the car? Okay, yeah. Not even gonna ask that. That? Yeah, I think they called the fire department. I'm gonna record the fire department response. I swear, if they thought engine 11.
No, patrz, otwarte okno.
Mom, I'm still recording. Wait. I might see the fire truck respond. I think it's engine 11. I think it's gonna be it. Everyone.
O Jezus, ty znowu buty zdjąłeś.
Daj ten telefon.
Oh, wait.